Welcome to Tala Poduchil. Tala is head, Poduchil is like a cap, like a paste applied. Some call it the king's treatment, some call it the queen's treatment. Medically makes no sense. Socially a sarcastic comment, but typically this is a very Kerala special therapy, and our technician would of course keep doing it. Start and I will keep on explaining it. The indication for this is psychosomatic diseases, and in today's world, who doesn't have it? No, it's very suitable for most of the people in general. But being more specific, it has enormous benefits in burning neuropathies, burning sensation in the body or the extremities, and sleeplessness, be it starting trouble, be it breaking trouble or sleeplessness. Most importantly, it has a very cooling effect to the brain or the thoughts, hence used effectively even in anxiety or some forms of depression, and in exceptional situations in inflammations of the head region or above the clavicle region. So the purposes are multifold because the ingredients of the herbs are multifold. Typically we make it for at least 45 minutes, but we go definitely to 1 hour segment, even to 2 hour segment, and the days could be 7 days of course minimum, but it could be 14 days also. Exceptionally we have done for up to 21 days. The relevance of the procedure is easy to relate because thought processes are plenty in many people's healing process, and hence we always make sure that this is done with the full agreement of the person that it needs to be continued. It can't be just broken in between if you don't like this muddy feeling. So the video will help you to decide whether you want to continue. We have had some clients who were not comfortable doing it for social reasons. And the next important thing to realize is, after the process is over, please avoid sunbathing with your head to the sun. Please avoid being in the AC room or direct fan, because the process is already cooling. We don't want a blocked nose, we don't want a sinusitis, we don't want running nose. All these things have happened to clients who were overconfident, who were not interested in our recommendation to them, and that did not favor them. On the contrary, it got them messed up. So simple process. If you relish it, it will be very, very favorable in your welfare. Now our technician would be placing the oil, and then he will be of course covering the paste, and I will come to much more details with a halt now for the video.